Emotional intelligence in the AI era, maintaining authentic human connections. In the age of artificial intelligence, life became fast and efficient. People trusted machines more than humans. Conversations became shorter, emotions weaker. A young man worked in a tech company creating intelligent systems. One day, his mother fell ill. AI gave him medical facts, reminders, and schedules, but it could not comfort her. He sat beside her, listened to her fears, and spoke gently. In that moment, he understood a powerful truth. Technology can assist life, but emotional intelligence gives life meaning. Moral: no machine can replace empathy, compassion, and genuine human connection.